Vegas, where our local time is approximately 8:22 p.m. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please stay in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items stowed until this aircraft comes to a final stop at the gate. Once our captain turns off your lighted fasten seatbelt sign, that will be an indication that it is safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items do tend to shift during flight. We ask that you refrain from smoking until safe inside the terminal, then only in a designated smoking area. If you are claiming luggage here in Las Vegas, please follow signs to baggage claim. Allegiant is located in Terminal 1. Bags can be claimed off Carousel 10 or 12. Again, that's Carousel 10 or 12 for your checked bags. Please be sure to just double check those boards. If you have any questions regarding baggage claim or ground transportation, our uniform representative greeting the aircraft will be happy to answer those for you. If you have your mobile phones within arm's reach, you may now use them at this time. And for passengers who are requesting wheelchair assistance, we kindly ask that you remain seated until notified by a flight attendant that a wheelchair is available, and this way we could further assist you. On behalf of your entire flight crew, we apologize again for our delay into Las Vegas. We do hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening here or wherever your travel plans may take you. If Las Vegas is home, allow us to be the first to welcome you home.